Hi, let's start learning about how to build our first Android app. So this is the page where it has like all the details of what can be done. So you need to download the Android SDK. So let's do that. Android SDK, and let's download it. Mine is a 64-bit computer. So cool, now that you can see that I have downloaded the ADT bundle, let us unzip it. I'm using WinRAR evaluation copy, of course. And let me extract this to a folder where I want all my documents to be. Let me put it in. Let me put a new folder here. That is Android. And let's extract all of the files. This is gonna take some while. So as you can see that I have extracted all the files to this folder. Let's open it and let's go to Eclipse. You see this Eclipse symbol. I would also suggest you to have like a shortcut on your desktop for future use, but yeah, you should be able to open your Eclipse, and it seems like I do not have a Java runtime environment, so I need to download a Java runtime environment, and you can do that pretty fast using, like, let's download it. So let's go here, and I see, so there is so mine is a 64-bit version of Windows, so I'll download the exe version. So let's do that. So I have downloaded the JRE. Now let me quickly install it on my system, and yeah, let's install it, and this might take a while, so yeah. So I have successfully installed Java, and now let us open the Eclipse again, and hopefully this time it will work. Seems like it is working. We have the Juno version of Eclipse and things are getting set up. So this has like the Android SDK and like the basic tools already loaded. It's asking where I need to create the workspace, and yeah, let's have it in my documents. And it's like doing the basic setup. This is the first time I'm opening my Eclipse, so it might take a bit time. And since this is Google, they won't use its statistics, but I don't want to send it, so yep. So yeah, so right now you have opened your Java Eclipse IDE, and yeah. Now let's go to Window and then Android SDK Manager, and let's start the Android SDK Manager and make sure you have the Android SDK tools, the platform tools, and the build tools. Like, seems like these two are installed and there is update available, so I need to install that to keep everything up and going. And then make sure you have like a lot of versions of Android here. Make sure you select the highest API version. So right now it is preview, which might not be safe, but still I'm doing it. By the time you guys are seeing this video, maybe Android might have moved and like taken off away from L. I believe L is for the latest version, lollipop version. So let's select all this and let's install all these packages. So just click install, and I believe you have to accept licenses, and let's do accept for all. So let's accept licenses for all and start the install. Yep, it might take a while. It takes 5 minutes to install, so hang on guys. So once you have downloaded all the stuff, you can just like close the Android SDK and reopen it again. And or to be safe, like you can also like close your Eclipse and reopen it again. So go to Android SDK Manager. Now you do not have like APIs for your Google Wear or like other important APIs like swipe and some other stuff, navigation. So for that you need to have like these extras installed. So one is like Android support repository. This is not installed for me. Then you need Android support library, which is installed for me, so I'm not going to do that. And you also need to have like Google Play services and Google repository. So what it will give is like it will give you like the map capabilities, and it will also give you like Google Play. Like you can have, if you're building a game, you can have like achievements, and increase your score on the Google Play services and things like that. So yeah, just install these 4 packages and yeah, start accept all the licenses. Google won't let you install anything without that, and start the install. Now this is going to take a while, so stay tuned.